Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question and show you how to manage the spatial audio in your Nothing Headphones 1. So as you can see, here we have our headphones application itself. This is the Nothing X application, and here we do have to scroll down to spatial audio. Here we do have the head tracking and fixed. Here, as you can see, delve into spatial audio, an immersive listening experience that makes you feel like you're part of the music, movie or game. We have fixed, head tracking, or off. Off is just that we can, as you can see, hear the music from the headphones. Fixed is that, as you can see, we have spatial audio, something behind us, something in front of us, etc. But here we do have it from the one direction. And head tracking, as you can see, looks like that. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.